Buti lang, wala na akong P681.
Okay. Ready. Timer start.
Kama Sutra as a significant guide to successful relationship and life. What's the first thing comes into your mind when you hear the word Kama Sutra? Do you ever wonder what it is associated with sex? Do you know how it originated? Nowadays, the common perception regarding Kama Sutra for most students and people in the society would be that it is a sex manual, a guide to sexual intercourse. However, I say that it is a widespread misconception. In its authentic meaning, Kama Sutra deals with deeper and substantial things such as marriage, relationships, courting, and behavior of men and women, to cite a few. Upon discussing this topic, I will picture you first a short history of Kama Sutra because some of you may not know its origin, right? Following that is the content and the significance of the book. Lastly, last but certainly not the least, we are going to delve and elucidate in our minds the main goal of the book. An Indian book written between 100 to 500 AD. An Indian book written between 100 to 500 AD and compiled in the 3rd century by Indian sage Shyama Malanaga. Kama Sutra is probably one of the oldest and famous book in the modern era. For some of you who do not know, Kama Sutra is part of education of young women before they marry in the past. Because they believe that Kama Sutra is a manual for good life. Kama Sutra is composed of 1,250 verses, distributed in 36 chapters, and furthermore divided in 7 major topics. These 7 major topics are birth, society, and social context. It tackles the aims and priorities of life. Second is about acquiring a wife. Second is about acquiring a wife. It shows how to treat a woman, how to obtain a woman and union by marriage. Third is about wives of the other men. Third are duties and privileges of the wife. It shows what the responsibilities of a woman as a wife to her husband. Fourth discusses about wives of the other men. As I summarize all what we have learned, it clearly shows that Kama Sutra is not essentially on sexual acts as all of you have known. But why do you think there is one chapter of the book that tackles about sex? Because as what I observed, what is unique about Kama Sutra is that that particular chapter maintains a special focus on creating pleasure for both men and women. Because a man and woman
Gumagal siya eh. Habangan ng kanya. Kasi namin yung hindi, pwedeng ganun.